So this is the training session for SMASHUSMLE application. As you can see, we have a progress section, we have a question section, a video section, audio, flashcards, and download, right?
Okay.
If you actually click on the progress section, okay, if you click on the QBank, you can generate questions, and it's basically the exact same format. We basically took the entire website and put it inside the app.
Okay.
So this is like a quick video demo that shows you once you generate questions, and you can see all the correct and incorrect answers. It's the same thing. Okay, we give you the rationales. We also show you the lab values, and you can submit the questions just like we did on the website.
Right. Okay.
Also, you can see the performance inside the graph. So you see, that's the what. If you go to the performance section,
okay,
you'll be able to see the exact same thing in terms of seeing how the students are performing on the each section.
Okay.
If they go to like the video section.
Oh, sir, I have a question. My page says it doesn't give me progress, but it already gives me performance analytics as the first option.
Yeah, the reason is because you haven't done a lot of questions yet.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It's
Right.
only when you do questions you can see your progress.
Okay.
Okay? If you go to the video section, the videos also follow the same outline. See,
Right.
it's basically the entire website, and they can pick
Okay.
a video that they want to watch.
Okay.
And the beauty of the app, which we recommend everybody downloads the app, is that they can watch lectures anywhere they are, at home, at the coffee shop, anywhere without having to log into a computer screen.
Right.
Okay, there's no company in the entire US or Canada that has this kind of app. We are the first company to come out with an app that you can watch videos inside the app anywhere you go.
Okay.
So we want you to tell the students that. So if they come into the website, we want you to tell them to download the app on their Android, iPad, iPhone, or Samsung tablet.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
They can also watch in high definition. Are you able to do the same thing on your end?
Let me try, sir.
Flashcards inside their app. They can read their study guides and their schedules inside the app also. Okay?
Okay.
So the app is very, very comprehensive. That's why we really highly recommend it also. But you can always use the computer to study.
Okay.
Do you have any questions regarding the app?
Looking through it. Just
In our companies, other companies, we have Kaplan, Doctors in Training, UWorld. Okay? So
okay.
Kaplan is one of the USMLE companies in the US. Okay?
Okay.
This is their website. But as you can see, the courses are a lot more expensive than ours.
Right.
Okay. You pay, as you know, they say start at $549, but as you can see here, it goes all the way up to $799, $699, depending on what plan you're buying from Kaplan. But that's like if you're buying online. The issue is that they charge you up to $5,000. Okay.
Okay.
For their course, as you can see here. If you want to do a live course, let me see if I can pull that up. If you see their website, they can charge you up to from $3,000, $4,000, $2,000.
Right.
So our course is much cheaper than Kaplan.
Okay.
There's also Doctors in Training. This is another competitor.
Okay.
Okay. They charge $825 for their course, but you can only buy it for 6 weeks.
Oh, okay.
So you're restricted to 6 weeks course. You cannot buy more than 6 weeks, and if you want to add, each week is $200 extra.
Okay.
All right. They only have videos. They don't have any flashcards, study guides, audiobooks, online calendar. They don't have an app. Okay.
Okay.
So we have we have email and phone support. So Kaplan has videos. They don't have flashcards. They don't have audio guides. So you can see what Kaplan has, and UWorld only has questions, but we have everything.
Right. Okay.
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 Now that's how we compare to other candidates.
Okay.
Our email address is admin@smashusmle.com. Okay. I'll have to send you the password.
Okay.
So when you log in, this is where we get all our emails. Now,
Oh,
a lot of these are subscriptions
okay.
emails, which means every time somebody subscribe, we get a notification that they've subscribed here. Like just even if it's just a free trial, it gives us their username and password, and they
Okay.
can always go back and change it. But occasionally we'll get an email from somebody asking a question. Um,
Okay.
I think you can go forward here. People can ask a question and you can answer their question. It's a lot of subscriptions, so occasionally we can get an email from somebody, um, and then you have to reply to them. But
Okay.
we get a lot of junk mail too. So, but a lot of these are just subscription-based emails. If somebody subscribed, or even somebody like somebody sent us an email here that they want to purchase a membership, but they want us to rearrange our lectures. So
Okay.
we're actually gonna work in that. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the email, but the issues we're having issues with this email system. So currently we're using our Gmail to send emails back to students.
Okay.
So what I'll actually do is I'll actually forward some of our emails to that email forwarding, and then we can just use our Gmail for now.
Okay.
Um, so and Alexis. So it'd be your name, smash USMLE. The only problem we're having with this email right now is when you try to send an email, it doesn't go through. So, because
Oh.
our server was blocked by I don't know how people offering us the email service, they're giving us problems. Um, so, but we'll fix it, and I'll send you what you need to send.
Okay.
All right. You have any questions?
None.
Please ask questions.
Okay.
So, I've already highlighted most of the most common questions people ask about. Okay, why should I subscribe? We are one of the leading premier companies providing high yield USMLE Step 1 and Step 2 review for medical students. Okay,
Okay.
so what makes us different? Okay, we stand by our prep course. You can see the content. We use whiteboard. Okay,
Right.
who needs
Okay.
to subscribe? What topics do we cover? Okay, if
Okay.
if an international medical graduate wants to subscribe,
Okay.
do I get access to my question bank with subscription? Yes, you do. Do they have prep guide? Yes. Can we use it for the COMLEX? Yes.
Okay.
COMLEX is the comprehensive medical licensing exam. That's used by DOs. So that's for a DO student. An MD student is the USMLE. DO is for COMLEX.
DOs, sir. DOs.
So a DO, Doctor of Osteopathic Medicine.
Okay.
That's what a DO is. I am a DO actually.
Okay.
MD is for medical, Doctor of Medicine.
Okay.
So, but we practice similar medicine. So, but
Okay.
we have a different exam called the COMLEX. Okay.
Okay.
So COMLEX is what we take, and this is the board website for the COMLEX.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Understood.
How do they pay for membership? Credit card. Actually, we have 3 months, and we have to change this to 3 months and 6 months now. We update our, so if they ask how our question banks are written, our question bank are written by doctors who've actually taken the USMLE exam.
Okay.
Okay. So if students ask for, that's actually not, this is not the correct content. I have to change this. This is, we don't have, so people have, if we have a DVD or CD, now we don't do that. Okay. They can only watch it inside the app or sign online.
Okay.
And, you know, this is what our subscription entails. Our refund policy, we will give you your money back if you don't pass.
Okay.
They cannot share their website with other people, so there's only one login at a time. They can reset their subscription twice.
Okay.
If they say they're having trouble watching the videos, we recommend using a different like a different browser, Google Chrome or Firefox.
Okay.
They cannot download any of the videos. They can embed our videos. We do offer discounts. We gotta change this is admin at SMASHUSMLE. And we have other. If people have trouble signing in, they can send us an email or they can reset their password from the login page.
Okay.
Okay. So
Sir,
you
I just have one. Sorry.
sure.
I just have one quick question. I'm not sure if, because here in the Philippines, they're big on the percentage of passers with, here they call it review center. So is it this, am I expecting like, the percentage of passers with with what we offer?
Say that again.
Am I going to expect questions like, percentage of passers, those who have taken our plans? Are they going to ask, how many have passed?
Yes,
Or
yes, they will ask you that question. So
okay,
we're actually adding that to the website today.
okay, okay,
97% of students using our website have passed the exam.
okay,
And also, they'll ask you what the average score is. The average score is between 220 and 240 on the board exam.
220, 40. Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
We have over 6.5 million views online, and we have about 100,000 subscribers already. Just that's from YouTube, obviously, but just tell them we have over 100,000 subscribers. And also, our videos are watched all over the world. So, but
okay.
that's a good question.